Good morning, children. Prepositions done, completed. One or two exercises left here and there, and that we'll do it in the live class. Fine. Now, today we'll do conjunctions. You know what's are conjunctions? Joining words are called conjunctions. Yes, you all are aware of it. You have been doing it 6, 7, even in 5. You have done at places. Examples, can anyone of you tell me? Yes, correct. Everyone I know, what you are saying, the first thing what comes in your mind is and. Correct? Yes or no? So, yes, and is the most common conjunction which we all know about it. When we are joining two sentences, two phrases or two thoughts or whatever, and we are putting them together, we are using conjunctions. So, they are words used to join other words, groups of words or sentences, and these are called as conjunctions, or you can call them linkers, or you can call them connectors, connecting one with the other. Yes, there are various types of conjunctions. Example, and, but, or, and then there are so, because, plus when you see in your books here you have so that, if, but, although, yet. Yes, all these conjunctions, when, where, as, these also with time, place and manner. All such conjunctions are there, and we know that we can use them. Some are used when the two sets of sentences are of the same value. Right? Suppose I am saying he is smart and intelligent. Smart is also a quality of a person. Intelligent is also a quality. Both are of the same value. We are using their and, yes, and we use it. But if suppose that there is a reasoning type of sentences. She is ill because she was out yesterday in the cold night. I have a reason that why she is ill. So when there are reasonings, again we are joining the words or the sentences or phrases with conjunctions. Also when there are certain questions, like a choice. If this will be done, then this will be also done. Then this will also be completed. There is a choice. There also we are using conjunctions. There are also conjunctions like so. Again, so is used for as a reasoning, as I told you. But is also there to join the sentences. Yes, many times of the same value. Or is when either drink milk or have a cold drink. Yes, that is also such conjunctions. So there are various types of conjunctions. The exercises we'll do in the class. Yes, in the live class, that means in the live class. Otherwise, conjunctions you all are aware of it. Okay, one more thing. Time, place and manner. Time is, when we are talking about time, the conjunction used is when. When we are talking about a place, conjunctions used is where. And when it is about a manner, then it is as. He is as good as he is as soft as cotton, as light as cotton, as sharp as a knife. So these are comparisons, these are in the manner. Place and time you are aware, when and where. So all these are conjunctions. Also that, if, whether, when there is a questioning form, whether you will do this or you will do that. So when there is a questioning form, we are using such conjunctions. Correct? So all these are conjunctions. Exercises I will finish in the live class. In case any is left, then I will do it in the virtual class. Is that okay? Assignments, as I have told you, you study for your PT2s. You will get your assignments later. Fine. Goodbye. See you. Thank you.